Here are some suggestions on how you solve repetitive insomnia. First thing is to get rid of the screens, computers, and especially blue and white light about 1 to 2 hours before you go to sleep. Second, take either a hot shower or even better, a sauna if you have access to it. Now, saunas are best if you can use it for 20 minutes at about 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you have to cool the temperature in the bedroom, somewhere around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. That usually works best. Before you get into bed, I would recommend that you meditate for about 10 minutes. It has to be a very comfortable meditation, and it has to be a fairly relaxed meditation. Then you lower the lights completely. Complete darkness works best. If none of those work, then I suggest some supplements. First, start off with melatonin, low dose to high dose. Second, you can add magnesium threonate, about 500 milligrams or so. If that doesn't work, try ashwagandha or glycine. Now, if you're still having problems after that, then a prescription medication might work for you, but I like to use only one prescription, and that's trazodone. The reason is because trazodone allows your sleep cycle to be normal. That is, deep cycle and then REM. Now, you start off at a very low dose and you make your way up because it may tend to cause some residual sleepiness the next morning. But that's a problem that you may want to have if insomnia has been plaguing you for years. Usually, one of these will work, and in the end, you will be sleeping much better. What I've suggested so far is evidence-based, but if you have any solutions, please share them with us.